Alright guys, this is Fossil 151. It's a little windy out here. I'm out here in the field and I found this abandoned piece of farm equipment, and I thought it was kind of cool. I decided to do a video on it and something different for a change, since we had a lot of rain and not too much time to metal detect right now. So anyway, this is pretty cool. It looks like some kind of a scoop that you pull behind a tractor, and the wheels are antique. You can see the wire spokes, but it has a tire. It says, it looks like, not sure what the name of the tire is. I think it's Goodyear or whatever. But anyway, it looks pretty cool. You can see the hydraulic deal in there. It would, I guess, raise it and lower it as needed. Yeah, here's a better view. You can see it says Goodyear tire. But anyway, it's pretty cool. Like I say again, it's got those antique spokes, and I thought that was kind of cool. And I just wanted to do something different today. And anyway, if anybody knows exactly what this piece of equipment is, leave me a comment and a like. But anyway, I thought this was a pretty interesting piece of farm equipment that's abandoned out here in the field. Alright, till next time guys, take care. Bye-bye.